Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and you can scroll through this menu, find the airplane mode icon, looks like the airplane of course, and once you find it, tap on the icon and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the message airplane mode on and the icon getting highlighted, changing the color. And I believe if you go back to watch face, you will see the airplane mode icon at the bottom of the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel again, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it, you will see the message airplane mode off, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.